We are the HVAC team at Exyte. We develop and provide technical solutions for all HVAC systems in our projects. We are searching for HVAC engineers for all our mechanical teams.
My day involves designing and optimizing HVAC systems.
Heating, ventilation, air conditioning.
We deal a lot with special environments.
Wir machen alles von Konzept bis zum Basic Designs und dann Detail Design.
You have to engage with design partners, with project management, with the client.
Wir sind sehr so international und dann noch dazu sehr offen und dann wir kommunizieren sehr gut.
Everyone's ideas is valued, which makes a really good space to grow professionally.
You are able to solve problems during project execution in each phase. You want to be part of our team? Then take a look on our job description and apply for it now.